How to remove green screen on CapCut PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our CapCut. And then once you are now here, just open the project that you want to edit. So just open this one right there. So let's say, for example, that this is the green screen that we want to edit. So to remove the green screen, what we're going to do right here in this part is to, of course, first add the project or the video that you want to use. And then once you add it, just click the video right there. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to go here on the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will see this remove BG. So just click on remove BG right there. And then in this part, you will see three options, which is auto removal, custom removal, and chroma key. So if you are using a pro version of the CapCut, so you can use this auto removal. So if you click this one right there, CapCut will automatically trace down the parts that should be removed from the video. So all you have to do is to do that. But if you are not using a pro version of the CapCut, then what we're going to do here is to use the custom removal and then of course the chroma key. So once you click the custom removal right there, you can use this brush right there and you can just click the brush button right here. So let's say for example that this is the one that we want to use. And then all you have to do is to wait for it to finish and then all of the fire will be selected. However, a much better option right here is to use the chroma key if you're using a green screen. So just click on chroma key right there and then click on the color picker. Once you click that, just drag your cursor on the video right here and then just drag the color, which is the color green. So as you can see right here, we now have removed the green screen. Now, if you want to edit it, all you have to do right here is to adjust the intensity, of course, also the shadow, and then of course the feather edge, and then of course the cleanup edge. However, the cleanup edge right here requires the pro version of the CapCut. So I'm just going to edit 3 of those. And then if we play the video, this is what it looks like. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to remove green screen in CapCut PC.